For over 100 years, PBM has been manufacturing safe, reliable, high-quality ball valves for various industrial and sanitary markets. We provide unique valve solutions to many industries. Our unique differentiating sealing design allows our customers to address cleanability and drainability issues that are critical in many processes. Our facility sits on 11 acres of property southeast of Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. To support our growth, we've recently added 19,000 square feet of manufacturing space, increasing our total footprint to 58,000 square feet.
We started with our unique seat technology in the steel industry spilling into the U.S. chemical market. About 30 years ago, we dovetailed into cleaner pharmaceutical industries.
Our products focus on cleanability, drainability, reliability, durability, and obviously dependability.
Quality control is an important function at PBM. We ensure that the valve components that we purchase or manufacture meet drawing specifications and regulatory requirements set forth by our customers.
I like working here at PBM because it makes me feel like I'm doing something that contributes to improving people's lives.
PBM's initiated several lean initiatives. SQCDP stands for safety, quality, cost, delivery, and people. What this is a meeting that happens on the shop floor every day where the employees can bring their issues or problems up through the organization, through their supervisor and through the manager. So everybody has a voice, and that rolls up through the organization all the way up through myself by 9 a.m. in the morning. The other main initiative that we've done has been 5S, which has really helped the organization get organized and make everybody's jobs more efficient. We've really been able to streamline the shop. We've implemented pull systems, which has helped us satisfy our customers. It's helped us reduce the inventory and WIP that we've had on the floor. We're starting to get into SMED, which is single-minute exchange of dies. The idea there is to reduce our setup times so that we're more productive and that we have more value-added time on the floor.
I recently tried some new things with the CNC programs and implemented some ideas that weren't previously used that equated to cost savings for the company.
What makes PBM successful in the pharmaceutical industry is our ability to customize products to meet the specific industry's needs.
The industry is looking for innovation. We've been successful for the last 30 years in clean utilities. Those successes gave us more credibility to get into direct product contact. That direct product contact has allowed us to develop products like the radial diaphragm valves, more intense automation features, more controlling mechanisms. Additionally, non-return valves, check valves, pinch valves, sampling valves as well. Those are all the innovations that the market was challenging us to do better in the industry. I think it's been a great journey for PBM. We've been part of IMI for the last 18 months. We realized the impact that we can make commercially and operationally.
The support we received from IMI was just fantastic. The number of people that reached out to us to help us with this process, it was just unbelievable.
I've had increased success in my department due to collaboration with my fellow purchasing professionals on a global scale.
We've seen an influx in website traffic as well as new web inquiries, and just having the access to newer resources has really increased our digital footprint.
The empowerment, the engagement, the feedback that we're getting from IMI has been quite healthy for the rest of the organization.
We have been very successful over the years in our new product development initiatives because they have all been customer focused. Our new projects come from customer needs, from future customer projects, or just demands of the industry.
What PBM does best is take care of customers. It's listening to customers' needs. That challenges us to develop more unique process solutions. We love identifying customer problems. We're always trying to find value in the marketplace by asking the right questions. We believe that product development has expiration window. Those that are able to solve the problem sooner are going to be the winners. One of the important things for us is to be in the industry pulls. The drivers that are driving specifications are looking for new problems, new solutions. Now we're able to unite some of the best technical experts within IMI to deliver potentially IMI PBM product solutions.
We need to be able to adapt to where the customers are going in their fields.
PBM is active in the processing side, and we realize that Nordgren portfolio of products is very much on the benchtop lab side of the business. However, there are some products that overlap, and the successes of PBM or Nordgren with deeper portfolio selling have generated some immediate successes.
PBM has already experienced success with IMI Precision's products in bundling into the life sciences industry at various end-user clients. And there's an ongoing collaboration initiative now resulting from an NPD Ignite program from the Growth Hub.
IMI PBM was recently successful with securing the Samsung Biologics Edison 4 project valued at $800,000. They introduced a domestic material requirement which limited our competition.
The other side of the business is more on the industrial, where we could be more evident player, not only supplying PBM double block and bleeds or some transmitter isolation valves, but larger alloy valves of TrueFlow portfolio. With great deliveries, more customization, better sealability, we're able to bring TrueFlow into the US and demonstrate successes through PBM channel network.
We are growing IMI PBM in Singapore.
We are growing IMI PBM in India.
We're growing IMI PBM in the United Kingdom.